today I have fixed the world, and so I'm back in the world. Just it got rid of my door. I need to put that back. Wrong side of the door. This way. There's the door. No. Boom. Okay. I do not need that. Okay. So now that I got stuff cooking, there. Got 5 pork chops. So this is what we're gonna do. Episode 3. In the last episode, I accidentally stopped it, so I said I'll be back. And when I accidentally stopped it, I was like, oh no. And I was like in my head in the next episode. But I accidentally stopped it. I will stopping it. I promise. I'll try to stop stopping it. Because that'd be annoying if I just stopped it when I was... Like, I stopped it many times and I don't mean to. Is this a donkey? I can ride it. Oh yeah. Tap sneak. Sneak. Oh, double tap. Sneak. Double tap. To get off of the horse. Or donkey. So I don't know what we're gonna do in this episode. We'll probably get some more stuff. Did you see that? That was so close to attacking my face there. I almost jumped on me like, so yeah. I created some bone meal just now. Oh yeah. Can I? Yes! Okay, I got an item frame. I'll put it right there for my first my first sword! There. Because I didn't have any more bones on me, so I got my first sword. Because I got this. And I don't need that sword anymore. I might, but not right now. I don't need it. So, Mr. Donkey, what do you want me to do in this episode? Add more to your house, like building upstairs. Okay. The donkey wants me to build an upstairs. So we're gonna do that. I guess this can be the guest's episode. Guest room for guests. Like, no, I should build 3 because the second layer will be my room. Then the 3rd layer will be the guest room. Yeah, that's good. That's good. I like that. How much high should it be? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 high. Yeah, 4 high. Don't want anybody disturbing me. And come on. And boom, boom. So no one will disturb me. So that's 1 high. This will be 2 high. Not done yet. Whoop. Okay, so we are family. No. I just have that stuck in my head. So, 2, 3 is about to come up. After I finish 3, 4. I'll probably build the third floor in the next episode. I'm not saying I'm gonna end this episode, I'm just saying I gotta decorate it and all that stuff. So, this is 3. And last one will be 4. Okay, oh, it's all laggy. I don't like it laggy. No, stop. I don't like you laggy. Oh wow, it's so laggy. Not as laggy as I can't move. I can totally move. And all that stuff. I can leave that block there since I'm gonna. Oh, yay, it's not laggy anymore. It was over there. Boom. I'm not gonna add this. I don't. This all the way down. Yep. Okay. Boom. 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 So if I do it there. Oh, perfect. Wait, is it? Yep. Get. My fish sword. My axe is about to break. Hopefully it doesn't break when I'm on the tree. That would totally suck. Like the first tree at least. You upgrade my axe. Here is the first tree. Don't break. Yep, it broke. So I'll keep on mining this tree, and then I'll get an upgrade. Or at least another tree. Do I have enough for an upgrade? Yes, I do. Oh my goodness, it's so foggy. Wow. When I go up this hill, I can barely see anything. Like, even my house, I can't even see. Even though it's like right next to me, I cannot like see it. Yeah, look, I can't see it at all. Oh my goodness, that's what's causing all the lag, is all this fog and stuff. This fog is really annoying me right now. Look, I can't even see anything because of it. Hopefully all my pork chops are done. Oh, not all of them. Like, at least like 10 more. Gotta be more than 10. Boom. That should be enough for it. Ouch! That hurt. Not in real life, but in Minecraft. Oh yeah, ouch. Face plant and oh. It's not all done. Oh. I'm gonna use 14. I'm gonna do 64. Boom. Yeah. Whoop. Yeah. Whoop. Goodness. There we go. I can't see. I can't see. I can't see. I can't see anything. No, I need my torches. More torches. Yeah. Do I have stuff to make torches? No, I don't. No. I don't have wood to make torches. Ah! Oh my goodness. I have my pickaxe. Hurry, hurry, hurry. Okay. Come on, I gotta hurry. Okay. Back up. Ugh. Come on. And almost. So close. Okay. Not done yet. Wait, am I done? Yeah, I'm done. Okay. Okay, so I just need all my cooked pork chops. Okay, there's a creeper. Do I want a chance to die or land in the water? Chance to land in the water! Okay, go run, run, run as the spirit is dying. Go run, run, run. The worst thing that can happen to me is a creeper spawns me. Yes, four torches. Yes. 4. Got torches upstairs. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so this is gonna be my upstairs. Okay. So that's all for now in this episode. I'll see you guys all later. Bye. Wait, hold on. Bye and game on.